Every year, tons of clothes are thrown away.
But what if this waste could become something new?
Welcome to Textile Recycling and Upcycling.
First, textile recycling. Old clothes are broken down into fibers, then processed to create new materials. Next, upcycling.
Transforming old clothes into something better.
Without breaking them down completely.
Creative, unique, and eco-friendly. Textile waste harms our environment. Recycling reduces landfill waste.
And upcycling adds value through creativity.
It's also a growing business opportunity.
Sell recycled and upcycled products online. Eco-conscious customers love sustainable fashion.
The future of fashion is sustainable. A circular system where nothing goes to waste.
From waste to value.
You can be part of the change.
Subscribe for more textile innovations.